the pines stand tall and blue water flows. Gary and Yvette got the welcome on. It's a small town place where the good times roll. Tie up the boat, grab a paddle or two, cast out a line underneath the sky so blue. 100 miles of trails just beyond the bend. Ride all day, then do it again. Gas it up, gear it up, we're ready to ride. From the lake to the land, the great outdoors provide. Campfires crackle under northern stars. This is paradise, just bring your heart. Just bring your heart. Up where the big fish lives, on the shoreline mile after mile. Escape your everyday, come ride these waves. At Marten River escapes, from sled tracks to kayak wakes. It's a four-season dream you gotta take. Grab your friends, stay a while. Up where the big fish lives. Winter winds blow, sleds light the way on the A104D and the A we play. Snow dust flies in a ribbon of white. Then it's burgers and cheers by the firelight. Come Halloween, that fish is a ghost. Santa stops by for a Christmas toast. Photo ops, good laughs and cheer. It's a little slice of heaven way up here. Hey, whoa. Fuel it up, live it up, let's ride and roam. From the woods to the water, it feels like home. Paddle in the morning, trails in the noon. Every night here, enjoy a spectacular moon. Lives on the shoreline mile after mile. Escape your everyday, come ride these waves. At Marten River escapes, find moose tracks around big beautiful lakes. It's a four-season dream you gotta take. Grab your crew, stay a while. Up where the big fish lives. Pedal boat rides, ATVs roaring side by side. Snowmobiles when the cold winds call. Yeah, we've got it all. Yeah, we've got it all. Flew up where the big fish lives, on the shoreline mile after mile. Escape your everyday, come ride these waves. At Marten River escape with Gary and Yvette. Say welcome home. There's no better place to roam. Bring your heart, bring your smile. Up where the big fish lives. Escape your everyday. At Marten River escapes.